I'm not special. I just have a hot plate above me. You people have been scammed. Yo, guys, I'm tired, Shem. You boil water, you walk away. Boil again, walk away. Boil again. At this point, I'm basically a gym member. Always working, never seeing results.
Hello there! I'm cooking up something special today. It's bubbling nicely. I can't wait for you to try it.
This is a new niche when it comes to AI, where you use your everyday objects to share your message. You could be teaching, you could be making jokes, you could have lots of fun with this new AI trend. I'm going to show you how to create these quick short videos using AI. And we're using a free method of creating these. You can also use any accent from whichever country that you would like to animate. Give ChatGPT an instruction of the prompts that you would like it to create for you, and it has created different characters for me. Then you head over to Gemini. Gemini, our new best friend that creates beautiful images. We then take the prompt that we got from ChatGPT and then we create a image. So I'm going to copy the prompt and then paste it on our Gemini. Click on create an image, paste it there, and then create the image. Okay, so you can do this with all of the objects that you would like to create the video for. I would stick with one video at a time, 15 to 60 seconds long, and then you create your images. And you just download your images and then you head over to Grok to animate them. As easy and simple as that. So then you will add your image and then you're going to type to customize the video. So we're going to ask Grok to animate this object for us. What's important with the instruction that you give to Grok is that you let it know that you want a certain country's accent in your prompt, and you also put it in quotes to show that you want the object to speak those words. That way, Grok will make the tool or that object say exactly what you want it to say, provided you've added it in your quotes. So we're going to then press the enter button and animate.
Vula vala cho kuningishem guys yekani kungi vula bo.
If you want to learn how to animate and make stories with Gemini and CapCut, go ahead and watch this video. I will see you with our next video.